James Carpenter with Country Living. Welcome to my channel and thank you for watching my videos. Alright, the project we have going here is this temporary structure. Actually, let me just tell you a little bit about this. I used to use it as a party tent. Put it up so you got some place to set under when you have a party. But more recently I decided to set it up permanently, and the tarp that came with the structure got some high winds and it was a few years old and it just ripped apart. This tarp I picked up on Amazon for 70 bucks. It's 20 feet wide and 30 feet long. And what we did is we tied strings through the eye hooks and then put the string over top of the bar. And we had 3 of them, one on each end and one in the middle. And we pulled the strings to get the tarp to stretch over top of the structure. And then we took those tie downs, the zip ties I think they call them, and we put the zip ties through the eyelets and zip tied them to the pouch. Now there's only one problem. Lengthwise it fit real well. We were able to tie it all the way up to the peak with those tie downs. But 20 feet wide, by the time you go up one side and down the other side, you lose some footage there. And I'd say we probably lost about 18 inches, roughly. So if I were to do the tarp thing again, first of all, I want to see how long this tarp's going to hold up. When I bought it on Amazon, it definitely wasn't the cheapest of the cheapest. But it actually was higher millage as far as the thickness of it than the replacement top, which would have been 300 bucks. But I can understand that because it was like a form fit, where this is just a tarp with eyelets in it. The wind was blowing fairly decent that day. You can see the tarp was jumping around, but that's my son. He's putting some tie downs on it, temporarily hold it in place. We didn't tighten them down yet. We just wanted it secured because of the wind. I'm probably going to use this little canopied area. I got a few attachments that will not fit on the attachment racking system you can see in the background on the left side of the screen. I've got a lot of my attachments in there, but I've got some that will go underneath this tarped area. Now we got the tractor out for a couple different reasons. One, it's a little more stable than that green stepladder looking thing you see there. It's okay when it's on flat ground, but the ground's not perfectly flat all the way around this building. So you'll probably see some OSHA violations. I'm going to put a skid on the forks and I'll pick my son up so that he won't be climbing up and down a ladder. He'll tighten down all these tie downs once we get everything situated. Yeah, there you go. That's how you use the Kubota bucket to get to those high spots. So right now, Jimmy is basically tightening down the tie downs. Now on the side, those tie downs there, they were 3 feet long. Because of that lost 18 inches or so, we had to go from the pipe through the eyelet and down. So the tarp basically falls about 6 inches or so short on either side. So the next time, like I started to talk about this earlier, but the next time I get a tarp, the 30 foot for the length would be okay, but I would need a little bit more for the width. I want to thank you for taking time to watch my video, and this is what it looks like when it's finished. And I'll kind of keep you posted, you know, over time as to how long this little tarp thing actually holds up. I'm thinking the fact that it's brand new, hopefully I'll get a couple years out of it, but we'll see. I'll keep you posted here on the channel. Again, if you're not subscribed and you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. I appreciate it. Have a great day.